Hey guys, in this video, I will guide you about Renee's request in Crimson Desert. All right, let's begin. First, head to Renee's location and speak with her to start the quest. She will provide all the ingredients needed for cooking, so you don't need to gather anything beforehand. Once you accept the request, look for a cooking pot nearby, usually located close to her position. Before cooking, open your recipe menu and find the required dish. Select it and examine it to learn the recipe. This step is necessary, otherwise the cooking option will not work. After learning the recipe, approach the cooking pot and interact with it to begin. Navigate through the cooking menu until you find the correct dish, which is fish porridge. Choose the version that uses fewer ingredients to conserve resources, especially since you need to prepare multiple servings. Set the quantity to 3 and confirm to start cooking. Once the dishes are prepared, return to Renee and hand them over. If the interaction does not trigger immediately, move away and come back to reset the dialogue. After delivering the items, the quest will be completed. So that's basically all about the Renee's request in Crimson Desert. That's it for this video. Thanks.